We are going to take a look at an Ekstrom Carlson No. 112-A double-sided 8-inch oscillating edge sander. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is not an ordinary Ekstrom 112-A, because it was ordered with 9-inch by 72-inch Platens. At some point, someone replaced one of the Platens with a 69-inch Platen. Furthermore, due to the length and the way the belt travels, the edges of the plates have slight tapers at the ends. So the 72-inch Platen has around 67 inches of flat plate space, and the 69-inch Platen 64 inches. A normal 112-A would have around 58-inch Platens. Overall, the machine is in good condition. The paint looks to be original. The main motor is 10 horsepower, while the oscillation motor is 1 horsepower. The two side tables measure 11 by 60 inches, while the end table measures 20 by 26 inches. All of the tables tilt,